Hello guys, this is Inzamamul Ansari, College Vice Captain, Batch of 2019, La Martiniere College. It has been a very great experience with Mr. Haik. He has been my teacher, motivator and guide. Everything. I am definitely sure his awesome lessons are going to help me in my future. And guys, just don't live it up. Hike it up. Thank you.
And I'm a student of class 12 of La Martiniere College, Lucknow for the batch of the year 2018-2019. I first met Mr. Keswani when I was in class 8, and of course he was a teacher and I was a student still in class 8, and our first interaction, I remember it very fondly, was during a Hindi play which was being performed on the 15th of August on the occasion of the Independence Day. Sir said just one thing to me, and I remember that thing till the date. Everything you do at La Martiniere has the importance of your life as much as every academic thing you do. That is what I remember from Sir's message, and that has always inspired me throughout the past 4 years of my life at school. Sir, for the past 2 years of my school life, as in class 12 and 11, has been my career counselor, and I have actually never seen someone more passionate to this task, to the task of putting his students at great heights out of the school. No one has been more helpful than Mr. Keswani. I recall this incident when Sir was at actually a vacation during the winter vacations. He was somewhere else, not in the same place. Yet he completed one of the most tremendous tasks, a task which takes a lot of time, which was required pressingly for my college application. For that, I actually commend Sir, because that amount of dedication, it requires a true Martinian to put in that amount of dedication and that amount of passion into someone's life. That is why I believe that Mr. Keswani, as a person, as a human being, and as a Martinian, is a standing example for everyone. Not in just the way he treats his students, but also in the way he treats himself and carries himself around, the way he dresses, the way he speaks, the confidence which he has when he talks to his younger ones, and the advice which he gives to them is always splendid. I think that is the most befitting testimonial to Mr. Keswani, and it would be very appropriate for me to say that I look up to him, and I actually will remember him throughout my life as a role model for myself. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ayan Garg, and I am a student of the batch of 2019 La Martiniere College, Lucknow. I came across Mr. Keswani last year in class 11th, and as a student who was very much interested in pursuing higher education outside the country, I think finding him was one of the best things that have happened to me in this school. Mr. Keswani's knowledge about the procedures in universities outside this country is absolutely fabulous, and for someone who really needs mentoring and who needs to understand how to apply outside and get through, I think Mr. Keswani is your guy. I got into Boston University this year, and it has been my dream school for the past 2.5-3 years. And to say the least, Mr. Keswani helped me all through it, and be it my recommendation letters or the procedure or working on my application, he has been there at every part of this road. And to him I say thank you so much, sir. Mr. Keswani as a person, as a friend, is also just outstanding. The values that he imparts to us are unique in some sense. Yes, they are. And I think when it comes to mentorship, friendship, or just guiding through stuff, there's nobody else like Mr. Keswani. So thank you so much, sir, for all the help that you've put me through. You really set my path, and just thank you so much, sir.
Hi guys, I'm Ishan Bhasin. I'm a student of class 12th in La Martiniere College, class of 2019. So in the past 14 years I've spent in La Martiniere College. So I feel that those were the best days of my life, and I've known Mr. Hitesh Keswani since the past 1.5 years, and he was like a guide to me in La Martiniere, who helped me through various issues that I have gone through and through various emotional things that I've gone through, and he's helped me through that. And he was the person who helped me find the real me inside me, and he has helped me to he has motivated me in various cases, and he's also helped me to enlighten my vision. Vive La Martiniere.
My name is Dhaval Gupta, and I'm class 12 student of La Martiniere College, Lucknow, the ISC batch of 2019. So one word which I would like to describe Haik sir is as my confidant. Even when I try to recall my experiences with Haik sir over these past 2 years, which have flown by like a couple of pages in a book, every memory with him seems to be in some way an educational experience for me. And that's what I would really like to remember Haik sir as, a different personality. A person who tries to make you do the best you can in every field. Even push your limits, go beyond your limits in every field. He has inspired me in a way that perhaps even my parents wouldn't have inspired me, but that's what I would like to just say, that I would just remember my experiences with Haik sir over these past 2 years as inspiring. Whenever I think of Haik sir, the first thing that comes to my mind is inspiration. And I would love to follow in his footsteps, and I would recommend everyone to do so.